This is a 2005 Toyota Tacoma access cab 4-door with 48,000 original miles. One owner in absolutely pristine condition. No rust. One Texas owner. Needs absolutely nothing. You would never guess this was a 2005. Wow. Belt liner, sliding rear window, little tow hitch. Tires are in good shape. Sorry about the wind noise. Yes, it is this clean. Absolutely stunning condition for the age. Not find a cleaner, lower mileage one for sale. I apologize for the wind noise. Gray cloth interior. The vehicle is running. It needs nothing. 48,000 miles. Power windows, locks, mirrors, and cruise. Stunning condition. So this is a 2005 Toyota Tacoma access cab 4-door, one owner, Texas vehicle with 48,000 miles in truly wonderful condition. Needs absolutely nothing.